Have you ever felt like you were too needy in a relationship? It can be tough to know when you being needy and when you just showing your partner that you care about them. But if you're constantly feeling rejected or ignored by your partner, it may be time to take a step back and ask yourself whether you coming across as needy. In this video, we will discuss 5 ways to stop being too needy. If you find yourself in a relationship where you feel like you always needing attention or affection from your partner, it can be easy to get caught up in those feelings and let them consume you. But by following these tips, you can learn how to control your emotions and maintain a healthy, balanced relationship with your partner. Number 1, recognize your neediness. The first step to overcoming any issue is acknowledging that there is an issue in the first place. Take some time to reflect on your recent interactions with your partner and ask yourself whether you've been coming across as needy. Do you find yourself constantly needing reassurance from them? Are you always available when they want to hang out, even if it's at the drop of a hat? Being self-aware is the first step to changing your behavior and building healthier relationships. Number 2, don't rely on your partner for happiness. It's important to remember that you are responsible for your own happiness. Don't put the burden on your partner to make you feel loved and appreciated. Instead, focus on building a strong sense of self-worth and confidence. This means pursuing your own interests and hobbies, spending time with friends and family, and taking care of your physical and emotional health. When you have a strong sense of self-worth, you won't need to rely on your partner for validation or attention. Number 3, don't smother your partner. It's important to give your partner space to breathe. Don't smother them with texts or calls if they don't respond right away. Give them time to miss you and initiate contact every once in a while. This will help them see you as an independent, confident person and not someone who is always looking for attention. Additionally, giving your partner space will allow them to cherish the moments you do spend together more. When you don't constantly have your partner's full attention, you'll learn to appreciate the time you do spend together even more. This will make the moments you do share all the sweeter and strengthen your bond in the long run. Number 4, don't keep score. It's important to remember that relationships aren't a transaction. Don't keep track of who does what or who owes what. This will only create resentment and bitterness in the relationship. Instead, focus on the positive aspects of the relationship and show your partner that you appreciate them. Express your gratitude for the things they do for you and let them know how much you appreciate their love and support. Keeping track of who is doing more or who owes what will only cause problems in the relationship. So focus on the positive and express your appreciation for your partner. Number 5, don't expect your partner to read your mind. Communication is key in any relationship. If you need something from your partner, don't expect them to read your mind. Talk to them openly and honestly about your needs and desires. This will help you both understand each other better and foster a deeper level of intimacy. It's important to remember that your partner isn't a mind reader. If you need something, you have to ask for it. This doesn't mean that you have to be needy or clingy, but simply that you should communicate your needs clearly and respectfully. It's also important to note that if you're feeling needy, it may be a sign that your needs aren't being met in the relationship. Take some time to evaluate the relationship and decide whether it's still right for you. If you've tried everything and your partner is still not able to meet your needs, it may be time to move on. Remember, you are worthy of love and attention. But it's up to you to find it. Don't rely on anyone else to complete you or make you happy. You are enough just the way you are. By following these tips, you can learn how to control your emotions and maintain a healthy, balanced relationship with your partner. It takes courage and strength to admit that you're needy, but it's the first step to creating a fulfilling and lasting relationship. With time and effort, you can build a relationship that is based on mutual respect, trust, and understanding. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and comment below to let us know what you think. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching.